Hello fellow Jeepers, welcome back to Ford Ventures. It's Hong once again. As you can see, I'm in the garage again, and today I'm trying to finish up the sleeping platform that I've been working over the past week or so, and it's coming along, and hopefully get this done before it really gets cold. It's getting cold pretty quickly, and I can only do so much in the garage. The limited space, limited tools, and my carpentry skills are not as good, so hope you guys don't mind. But as you can see, I've finished my last piece. Actually, I have one more piece, but let me just give you a walkthrough, a quick walkthrough. So this idea here was inspired by Cheaper Jeeper, who had a great sleeping platform designed for his JL. So I thought, you know what, I'll just borrow his ideas, his plans, and then just modify it a little bit to accommodate my JK. And this is what I've come up with. So let me just put this last piece in here. It's actually short, but it goes right here. And ta-da! So originally I thought about getting the Goose Gear platform system, but unfortunately that's just out of my budget. And we don't have dealers up. Well, we do have two dealers, I believe, up in Canada. One's in Sarnia, and one is I forgot where else. But yeah, it's just too far for me to just drive down there and back and get whatever I need. So yeah, I found Cheaper Jeeper YouTube channel. He had a great platform system and plans on his website, so do check it out. It's very intensive, has all the dimensions, everything you need is on his site. So if you are interested in making one, doing one yourself, yeah, check it out, cheaperjeeper.com. And here is mine, modified. Again, this base here is actually secured to the base of the Jeep with the four screws that I haven't screwed in yet. I wanted to retain the cubby down here for other stuff. But eventually I would cover this with another cover on top, which I'll probably make a little bit later. And this area here is for the fridge. None of this is secured in or anything like that. And once I finalize what fridge I'm getting, then I can actually secure this. Right now I'm leading towards the Domatic CFX IM55, which requires about 21 inches with the tray. So I've left it out. This is up to 18, so it's going to be a little bit more. This is all modular, which I'm a little short, but I'm going to fix this up. But like I said, this is modular. You can take this apart. This is the middle piece. And then you have this holding it up. Let me go to the side here. And this is how it is. Again, I do have passengers, so I just left the seats but also you can, if I want to get rid of the seats, I can just get rid of it and still have space underneath here, and still have a platform. But still, there's a lot of room to upgrade things, do things differently. But this is how it is. This is secured by beams that run across throughout the back here. So yeah, so again, I can remove all this and still have the seats available for the passengers in the back. But it's pretty simple. I have this whole piece that runs across the back here to hold up these beams, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I still have a little bit of things to feel complete, but eventually I do want to cover the sides here. Let's get back inside. It's getting quite chilly out here. But yeah, like I said, eventually I do want to cover up the sides here. I didn't want to get rid of the subwoofer. I still enjoy my music. I was humming and hawing about getting rid of this and then just, you know, trying to get that space back. But it's about what, 5 inches or so right here. So still humming and hawing. There's still room to make improvements. But I'm gonna keep this for now. It's secure. I can actually sleep at the back here on this side at least. Single person, so it works out perfectly. You know, once I have the fridge here, sleeping on the top here, and then I still have storage on the sides underneath the front there somewhere. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my sleeping platform. But yeah, I just have some minor things to do. So it should be hopefully done in a few weeks. Hopefully done in a few weeks, depending on the weather. Christmas is next week, so probably not gonna have a lot of time to do a lot of this. This is getting cold, really cold. But here, let me. Forgot to mention, I'm gonna put a drawer right here for my camp stove. I might put a camp stove here so I can just slide it out, grab it, whatever. Or if not, once I finalize this, maybe a shelf here and then a pull-out for a camp stove. Obviously, I'll cut this short so it'll accommodate the height. So yeah, so fridge up here, maybe a shelf down here to pull out the camp stove. More storage, you know, more cabinet space here, and then still retain the cubby here. I am gonna cut this plastic so I can still have my recovery gear down here, which I don't use anyways, but still, this plastic is one whole piece behind here. So in order to get to here, I have to lift up this and all that. So I don't know. Still humming and hawing about cutting this plastic piece, and then, you know, still have that back section, that deep section where your recovery gear, the wheel, whatever, what you call it, the jack stand. Still have access to the jack stand, which is really not much use, but still, to have access to it just in case is good. But other than that, that's pretty much it. This is how it is. It's you know, it's secure 3¼ inch plywood. Maybe it's too much, but I'll see how this goes for, I don't know, a couple months, and then maybe later on I'm gonna remove some of this wood and put extruded aluminum, especially the mid section and the back. I do have some pieces lying around, like stuff like this I can use. This extruded aluminum I can use to build a frame, but we'll see. So that's it, pretty much it for the sleeping platform. Not sure if I wanted to paint this all black. I do like the wood. The wood looks great, looks different, but I don't know, I started using this putty, this filler, and I don't like it, so I might have to paint this platform black just to have this not show. Bad choice, but you know, yeah, it is what it is. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, still a little short, just using whatever I have. Gonna have to round out the edges, like here. Again, here I ran out of wood, so I had to kind of extend it. But yeah, gonna round off the edges for easy holding, easy on the hands. Yeah, so right here, just gonna run off the edges on the corner here, here. I've left those edges not rounded off. I might want to extend it out a little bit more. I know. I should have measured it properly, but a lot of this stuff is just eyeballed and based on a JL measurement. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a lot of fun in the next few months. But yeah, next thing is to build up the side cubbies. Once I get this done, I still need to finish up the tailgate. So whew, hope you guys enjoyed that. And anyways, if you guys did, please hit a like, subscribe for future videos, and I will catch you later. Ciao.